Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Expobar dual boiler espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune up and we overhauled the E61 group head. These little parts that you see right here are the ones that were the E61 group head. These are the O-rings, the little valves and all the little things that are located between this one, the motion valve, the lever, and the exhaust pipe over here, the E61. So we also replaced the water pump with this machine. As you can see, this is the older water pump dated from 2012. What else we did? Yes, we replaced the shower screen. The gasket of this machine was in really bad shape. Whenever we remove it like this, it's because it can barely it's just plastic. It doesn't even bend anymore, so it needs to be replaced for sure. All the little parts need to be replaced. So right now the machine is completely fully descaled and has a new water pump installed, and we service the E61 group head. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right temperature for this machine, otherwise we're gonna skip coffee or coffee barely. We're having 7 bars of pressure. Coffee coming out of the machine, looking nice. With the crema. I'm definitely drinking this. Perfect. Looking great. For the steam of the machine. Excellent pressure and excellent temperature as well. And the hot water of the machine works perfectly fine as well. Really good flow, working excellent. We also tightened this thing that it was a bit loose, and left it in the same position as the other one. And there you have it, Expobar Brutus 2 working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.